Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're comparing two of the best wireless headphones when it comes to noise cancellation, the Sony WH-1000XM4 and the Jabra Elite 85H. The big question is, which one has better noise cancellation? Let's dive in. The Sony WH-1000XM4 is known for its industry-leading noise cancellation. Thanks to Sony's proprietary HD noise canceling processor QN1, it effectively reduces ambient noise across a wide range of frequencies, making it perfect for travel or noisy environments. The adaptive sound control feature automatically adjusts the level of noise cancellation based on your environment. Whether you're in a crowded cafe, on a plane, or in a busy office, these headphones ensure a quiet and immersive listening experience. The WH-1000XM4 also has a personalized noise-canceling optimizer that tunes the sound profile to match your head shape and environment, enhancing its effectiveness. The Jabra Elite 85H also offers strong noise cancellation with its smart active noise cancellation technology. While not as refined as Sony's, it still performs impressively well in blocking out external noise, especially in constant, low-frequency environments like air travel or traffic. The Elite 85H features 8 microphones to monitor and adjust the noise-canceling levels in real time, providing a quieter environment during use. Its sound quality is also enhanced with the Jabra Sound Plus app, allowing you to customize the level of noise cancellation based on your needs. Which has better noise cancellation? The Sony WH-1000XM4 takes the lead with its superior adaptive noise cancellation, offering a more customizable and effective solution for a variety of environments. The Jabra Elite 85H performs well, but the WH-1000X4 delivers a more immersive and premium noise-canceling experience. Which headphones would you choose for noise cancellation? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons. See you in the next one.